Hello again and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Today, me and Lulu are looking at phrasal verbs. As you know, the British and cats love phrasal verbs. So today we're looking at phrasal verbs with take. Do you want to have a look, Lulu? Yes, she says, silently. Can you fill in the gaps in these sentences? Let's take a look then at sentence number 1. We ought to get rid of this table. It takes far too much space. We ought to get rid of this table. Get rid of. That's another phrasal verb. Get rid of meaning to sell or to give away. You don't need it anymore. We ought to get rid of this table. It takes up far too much space. It takes up far too much space. There's not enough room for anything else. Number 2, if you're hot, you can take your jacket. If you're hot, you can take off your jacket. Take it off, put it on the back of a chair. If you're hot, you can take off your jacket. Number 3, Susanna took me for lunch. Susanna took me out for lunch. Susanna took me out for lunch. Or Susanna took me out to lunch. You can use either. Susanna is very kind. Susanna took me out for lunch. Number 4, this meat can't be fresh. It smells awful. I'm taking it to the butcher. What do you think is the missing preposition? This meat can't be fresh. It smells awful. I'm taking it back to the butcher. I'm taking it back to the butcher. It's no good. It's horrible. I'm taking it back to the butcher. I'm returning it. I want to get my money back. I'm taking it back to the butcher. Number 5, we'll need to take some extra teachers for the summer. So the language school is very busy. You need some more teachers. You need to employ some more, so you take on some extra teachers, some temporary teachers for the summer. Number 6, John has always been difficult. John's always been difficult. He must take his dad. He must take after. He does the same things as his dad. His dad is also a nasty person, also difficult to get on with. So John's always been difficult. He must take after. He resembles. He does the same kinds of things. He must take after his dad. And the last one, he was such a charmer, meaning a very nice, very kind, very sweet, but not necessarily very honest person. He was such a charmer. He took me in completely. He took me in completely. He tricked me. He persuaded me to do something I didn't want to do. Because he was smiling, he was extra polite, but he wasn't very honest. He was such a charmer, he took me in completely. So there we are. Phrasal verbs with take. We've lost Lulu the cat. She's taken off. Another phrasal verb with take, meaning she's gone to have some cat biscuits. We'll see her another day, I'm sure. How did you get on with filling in the gaps? Different preposition, a different meaning. Phrasal verbs with take, they are easy peasy with Uncle Jeff's help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.